So this is the beautiful Nova water filter, okay, and it fixes to this tab, so you can just fix to the tab. Okay, it is simple. The size is really literally small. It can fit into the corner. I'm just in the pantry in the office. Okay, and it is easy to use. Okay, so now I just have to on this, then I have water, you see, and then this is ready to drink. Okay, this is clean, ready to drink water. So if they want to use, for cleaning and stuff like that, then we just turn and we use directly from the tap. Okay, so this can be your hot water washing, cleaning, doesn't have to go through the filtration. Okay, so then you close the tap. So when you open the tap, you have a choice whether to directly use this for cleaning or to use filter for drinking, cooking and everything. So this is 9-in-1 filter cartridge, 9-in-1. Okay, and this cartridge here can clean right up to 5,000 liter of water. Okay, when there is need to be cleaned, like you see now. Okay, now you see this, there's a blue light. That means your water is clean. So not water is clean, the cartridge is clean. Okay, cartridge can still be used. Now if you need to change the cartridge, this light will become red. So that is where you know you need to change the cartridge. So it is simple, and this unit, like back home in my house, has been around for 13 over years, and I'm still using the same unit. So it's very durable. Okay, this is from Germany. The technology is Germany, engineered in Germany, and inside the technology is a Japanese technology of the filter, which is the pie water. It's a beautiful pie water, easy to fit in. The instructions are here. Okay, and the whole mechanics of it was done by the design was by Korean. So it's a Germany, Japan and Korean designed, endorsed by NSF. It's a 35 plus ultra tag. Okay, 99% bacteria reduction, 99.99% virus reduction, endorsed by NSF, that is American Water Body, and very few home water filters which are actually endorsed by this American Water Body. So it's a beautiful water filter, something one has to have every home. Okay, and many testimonies for this water filter is very simple. People said when they use the water filter, their children's health become better, they don't fall sick frequently, they don't have stomach issues, flu and all that, and older people also feel better, they don't get sick often. So many homes have testified the moment they've used this, and all kind of these little things that comes and goes has stopped, and the whole family living healthier with the water filter.